Hey YouTube, I just wanna show you the Baxia solar motion LED sensor light that I bought from Amazon. I just put up one today on this kitchen side window here, and I'll come out and as soon as it picks up, the sensor picks up the motion, it's gonna come on. Like right now, as you can see, it's right here. 28 LED solar light. It's right there, and as you can see, it's bright. I just put one, and it's not bad. So when you walk, I think I have it like 10 feet high. So when you walk, picks up the motion. If you like this video, click like, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to see more videos. Leave a comment down below, and I'll put the link um, from Amazon where I bought it. Thanks for watching.